Click on the link below to get price. The Bernette B77 Computerized sewing machine is a versatile and robust option designed for both beginners and experienced sewists. Known for its heavy-duty capabilities, this machine is particularly well-suited for quilting and embroidery, making it an appealing choice for a wide range of sewing tasks. As you explore what the Bernette B77 has to offer, you'll find a combination of features that cater to various sewing needs. At first glance, the Bernette B77 showcases a sleek design, featuring a user-friendly interface that includes a large touchscreen display. This touchscreen allows for easy navigation through the machine's numerous settings and stitch options. With over 500 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting stitches, the B77 provides ample creative possibilities. Additionally, it comes with 17 embroidery designs in 3 alphabets, further expanding your artistic options and enabling personalized projects. One of the standout features of the Bernette B77 is its ability to handle thicker fabrics and multiple layers with relative ease, thanks to its heavy-duty construction. The machine boasts a powerful motor, which contributes to its smooth operation even when tackling challenging sewing tasks. This makes it an excellent choice for quilting enthusiasts who often work with batting and multiple layers of fabric. The B77 also includes a range of presser feet that are specifically designed for various sewing styles, such as walking feet for quilting and embroidery feet for intricate designs. The included quilting kit is particularly noteworthy, as it provides essential tools and accessories to get started on quilting projects right away. The adjustable sewing speed feature further enhances usability, allowing sewists to work at a pace that suits their skill level and enhances control. For those new to sewing or who may have previously used more traditional machines, the computerized nature of the B77 may take some time to get accustomed to. However, the user manual is thorough and provides clear instructions, making the transition smoother. Additionally, the machine supports stitch customization, allowing users to modify stitch length, width, and tension, which can enhance the overall sewing experience. In conclusion, the Bernette B77 Computerized sewing machine stands out for its heavy-duty capabilities, extensive stitch options, and useful features that cater to both quilting and embroidery. Its combination of user-friendly technology and robust construction makes it a promising choice for anyone looking to explore their creativity through sewing. Whether you are just starting your sewing journey or are an experienced artisan, the B77 provides a reliable and effective platform for your projects.